Welcome to C++ Journey series. This is Code Fugazi. We are continuing where we are left. Here, print the sky of a number. So we are going to try to print numbers which is being squared. So the point is into this exercise to introduce arithmetic and read, compute, then print rhythm. I don't know what is this rhythm. It's like music. We will see. Generate. It's going to be generate an abstract for us. Waiting a little bit. There is also a tutorial here. So this, read one integer, multiply it by itself, print the result. If the input is 7, you know the square, just do the math and it's gonna be 49. If the input is -3, since the minus is going to be after the multiplication, positive number, then it's going to be 9 as a positive number. So this is the first step. Let's see, the abstract is still going. Let's reveal the second step. So we declared a and b, 2, 10 and 3, and we sum their values. We found 13 and minus, it's 7, multiplication 30, division 3, not 3.33, because this the division is not precise division. It truncates the fractional part. So this is because both sides are integer. And there is also mod, like remainder of 10 divided by 3 is 1. So the other way to say is the mod of 3 from 10 or something like this is 1. 10 out of 3 maybe, 10 of 3, something like this. The step 3. Before, let's check this abstract. Abstract is not gonna work. Okay, let's keep going. And step 3, we will have one variable result and its type integer, and we will multiply the result, and we will have a result print as printed version. Shape B. This is store first, then print. This is was shape A. Shape B is just, we don't have to store it, we just print inside the line where we print our value. So actually both way is okay. Those are identical, but I will prefer the shape A just because of the concisely, like this is obvious. What is n, what is the result, what are we gonna print it. This is for simplicity. This is more for you to make your code more understandable. Clean code. Reveal. So include IOStream. This is library read into an already done compute. It's square which is multiplied by itself and printed followed by \n. So return 0. Okay, let's open editor. Return 0 means not return 0, but exactly means we did this in the beginning of this telling you what it means is that just execute program altogether successfully. If you didn't watch it, I highly recommend to watch the first video. I explain it here what happens after the C++ program. It returns 0 white, doesn't return 1 white, returns 0. Open the editor and write. Before that we have a sketchpad, but we will skip this. We have some references. If you're stuck, you can check this out. Go to cplusreference.com and lesson for the old example, but here we can see in order to read from standard library we will use this, and this will skip white space, and in order to add white space we will add some additional letter and string additional string concatenating to itself of the print. So let's go by implementing it. Without further ado, let's go. So what am I gonna do is compute and multiply n itself. So I'm going to make an integer result, make it to multiply by itself. This is going to by results. When it comes to print it, I'm going to use standard library C out because it's going to be print out, not it's going to be retrieved by user. This is if I'm gonna use the n, you see I used C in here, so that means user will provide the number and it's going to be stored in this variable. So cin is for in order to be able to retrieve the number, cout to be able to print out to the console. So it's gonna be result, and after that I can do this and add here. So this is result is a variable. I cannot concatenate here, merge and in other way to say, because I will add another pipe here to merge everything together, result and this line, and it will be after the result is printing there will be another line waiting for us, clean line in our terminal. We will see. That's what it makes allows us to do. So let's go and analyze with RubberDuck first. Great, it check passed, output matches the expected pattern exactly, and it's gonna be 25 because we provided here, as you can see, 5. I will provide here 3. Okay, now I successfully I was able to run the program, and you see the input is 3 and output is 9 as a multiplication of the number of itself given. So it works. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and it's gonna be the next lesson after this one. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye.